Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy ensalada de pollo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by cooking our carrots and potatoes. So to our small saucepan, add 3 small diced potatoes along with the carrots. Here we're going to add a good amount of salt. Cover them with water. Set it over medium-high heat and bring them to a boil. Okay, so once our potatoes come to a full boil, reduce the heat to medium and allow them to cook for 10 minutes or until our potatoes and carrots are nice and tender. Alright, so once our potatoes are nice and tender, now we're just going to turn it off, drain them, and allow them to cool down. Alright guys, and after a few minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's putting our salad together. So to our bowl, we're going to add our mayo, the sour cream, our little mustard, garlic, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, along with our pickled jalapeños and juice. I'm just going to mix it together here. Okay, once we have that, we're going to add our rotisserie chicken. I already have it nice and shredded. Going to mix it. Okay, so once we mix it, we can add our onion, our corn, along with the sweet peas, and just mix them together. Okay, and lastly, we could mix in our carrots and potatoes. And just be careful so like that you don't break them. And just mix them in. Okay, and just like that, we have a delicious chicken salad. So now we can place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for about 15 minutes. And then we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This salad right here is honestly so refreshing, so light, and it's perfect for your next family gathering, for being next to the pool, or just being at the park. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so simple, yet so perfect. Can never go wrong. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious ensalada de pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.